Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a salsa verde. What you're going to need is Serrano chili peppers, tomatillo, salt, onion, minced garlic, and caldo de pollo. What you're going to do is boil the tomatillos and the chili peppers and half an onion. You want to bring that to a boil. Once it is done boiling, then it is ready to get put in the blender. You want to add 1 tablespoon of salt and a tablespoon of caldo de pollo, and finally a last tablespoon of minced garlic. You want to make sure you don't add a lot of the water because then your salsa is gonna be too runny. So now you just blend your salsa and you are done. I hope you guys try this salsa. If you do, comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Enjoy. Bye.